Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4th most popular browsers on your HONOR X7A. So the first one is Opera. In this web browser just click here on the tab icon, switch to the private and add a tab. That's it. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Okay, exactly same like before. Click on the tab icon, switch to the in private, and click on the plus to add a tab. Now the Firefox. In this welcoming screen, just click here. If you have any tab, open it. Tap on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask, and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon, switch to the new Incognito tab, and now in the Incognito mode, your history, completed forms, cookies, files, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.